everyone. Till now we have seen different metabolic activities which goes in our body. So these activities also create some waste materials. Now there are many body parts which are important in removing these waste materials. For instance, we can say that the urinary system removes the excess of water along with amino acids, urea and salts. The respiration system through the lungs disposes carbon dioxide. The digestive system through the large intestine throws out the undigested food, and through liver some harmful chemicals and poisons are broken down, like ammonia gets converted into urea which is excreted out through urine. The skin also sweats out the excess of salt and urea. So, how we can define excretion? Excretion can be defined as the biological process which involves the removal of harmful nitrogenous waste from the body. Now, different organisms have different strategies to remove these waste materials. Like in unicellular organisms, the waste materials get accumulated on the upper surface only and is diffused out into the surroundings. But the multicellular organisms cannot follow a simple procedure like this. They have a specialized system, the excretory system, which we are going to see in our next video.